Hello everyone, I am Arshan, student to BBA second year. I am using Canva from last 2 years for video editing, template making, and for my college presentation. I have learned so many things in Canva which I am going to teach you. So, firstly, what is Canva and for what it is used? Basically, Canva is an Australian global multinational graphic design platform that is used to create social media graphics and presentation. Most of the students use Canva because their presentation and the project instantly become more exciting when it created through a Canva. With access over 600 templates across poster, notepads, and infographic, as well as millions of images, thousands of font types, and over 8 lakh illustration and icons. So now we are going to start with the basic overview of Canva homepage. So here we are on homepage of Canva. Here you can see so many options. You like visual suite document. You can create your presentation, whiteboard, PDF, and graphs and chat. There are many more options. Video editor, YouTube video editor, photo editor. You can also print your card, invitations, mug, customized T-shirts, hoodies. For market, you can make your logos, poster, brochures, and there are so many things in Canva. In- you can customize your Canva according to your company. Like if you are in marketing field, you can click on market and your Canva will optimize according to your choice. And so you can, if you are in agency, sell, communication, real estate, you can optimize it according to yourself. Education, if you are teacher or a student, you can create visual classroom through this. And if you are a student, you can also use it, this for your documents and presentation. Here you can proceed further. So we see there is a project. You can say your recent project which you had made to say, recently. You can see mine. And to home, there's a template. You can see there's so many options. Like as I said, there's a business. In business, you can make presentation, documents, and website design, planner, and resume. You can also make your resume, invoice, proposal, report. And another is social media. So in social media, you can also make your Instagram post, edit your Instagram post, Instagram reels, Facebook post, your TikTok videos, Pinterest screen, and LinkedIn video ad. You can either edit so many things. As we go further, here is the option of marketing. Marketing, as I told you, there are so many things you can, it help you to in your business. Like it help you in your making your brochures, posters, logos. Here the most interesting thing is create a design. Here you can type anything, like a type YouTube. You thumbnail. You can edit your thumbnail as well. Just mm, which design we use. Like we choose this. How to make $300 per week. We can delete and customize it according to ourselves. How to? You can, here are so many options. You can add design from here element. You can, if we are going to discuss in further videos. I'm just giving us a little overview over it. You can add text from here. Add, add heading. Go to learn Canva. Mm, put it here, and we can also increase the size of font like this according to our need, and also change we can change the color of our text. Yeah, like I want to do give it this. You can see the changes, and also you can change the font. Like we are, for example, we do Belisa. It's so here we can edit our poster also. In further videos, we are going to learn so many things. For that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys.